Alright guys, welcome back. Scooby-Doo23 here again, back to bring you an update. As far as the smog and everything goes, I recently just passed, so I'm waiting for my tags in the mail. As far as everything else goes, got a couple things that just came in. You can see that right there. Got some tires that I'm about to be mounting on the RPF ones. So, pretty excited about that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do some fender rolling or pulling and stuff like that. So, alright, let's go to the tire shop. Are you going to be my filmer? Yeah. Alright. See yourself? Look at us here. Ta-da! We're going to go ahead and do a little small project. As you can see, we have the RPF ones here wrapped in 255 4017s, and this just came in. So shout outs to Happy Yapka for the tire letters. We're going to go ahead and put these on right now. So you'll need your tire letters with your adhesive and some acetone. I used nail polish remover because I don't really need too much. So we're going to see how that works with this. Of course, your wheel with the tire on it. I'm doing this in the kitchen because it's pretty damn cold outside and I don't really feel like doing this in the garage, so we'll see. Alright, so we're going to use like this surface area right here. So I'm guessing the letters are going to kind of stretch about right there. And we're going to go ahead and clean the tire. Alright, so now I am applying the adhesive after the acetone was applied. I tried it on one side and it came out okay. Just try not to have it touch my fingers as much as possible because that shit sticks. Get it to where you want it. I'm doing these the best as I can. This is my first time ever doing these tire letter things, so bear with me. The first time I ever did anything like this was I used a paint pen. It's like a paint marker, and I wrote the exact same thing on my tires, but in yellow because my wheels were wet at the time. This is what it looks like. A though. Let's go ahead and get a visual. Alright guys. Oh, look at say hi. Hi. Right there, right here. Hi. Hi, baby. A little Mac. Thank you again. Happy Yapka. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, but thank you so much for the quick delivery. Alright, repeat steps 1 to where we did, and for the next 3 wheels, have fun. If I'm being honest, it might take a little longer for us to be cool again. It might take a little longer for us to be cool again. I know I said that we'll be fine, but that was then. I guess I lied. It might take a little longer for us to be cool